Hey everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales, local LLMs on mobile, how NPU advancements are replacing cloud-based AI. For years, if you wanted to chat with an advanced artificial intelligence, your phone had to send your words over the internet to a massive server farm miles away. The cloud did all the heavy lifting. Today, that paradigm is shifting dramatically. Powerful large language models are shrinking down to fit directly onto our mobile devices, running entirely offline. The secret engine driving this revolution is a specialized chip built into modern smartphones called the Neural Processing Unit. While cloud-based AI models are brilliant, relying entirely on remote servers creates several major bottlenecks for mobile use. Every prompt, photo, or voice note you send to the cloud is processed on someone else's server, creating privacy vulnerabilities. Cloud AI requires a stable internet connection, and if you are in a tunnel or remote area, it stops working. The round-trip network delay also introduces lag. For tech companies, servicing billions of trivial daily queries via server farms consumes staggering amounts of electricity and hardware. Moving AI locally onto the phone solves these problems instantly. Local AI works in airplane mode, responds with zero network delay, and keeps your private data on the device. To understand how phones can run an LLM, you have to look past the CPU and GPU. Modern smartphones feature a third dedicated processor, the NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. Think of a CPU as a brilliant professor who can solve any complex problem, but only one at a time. Think of a GPU as an artist specialized in drawing millions of pixels simultaneously. An NPU is like a massive assembly line built for repetitive matrix math used by neural networks. It handles tens of topses while drawing a tiny fraction of the power a CPU or GPU would need. Without an efficient NPU, running an LLM on a phone would drain your battery fast and overheat the device. With an NPU, AI math becomes fast, cool, and power efficient. A standard professional LLM requires tens or hundreds of gigabytes of memory, far more than typical phone RAM. Engineers bridge the gap using two major breakthroughs: tiny, efficient open models and quantization. Compact models like Gemma 3N and Llama 3.2 pack surprising intelligence into a tiny footprint. Quantization rounds model numbers down, compressing a 14 gigabyte model to less than 1.5 gigabytes with minimal impact on performance. Running an LLM locally on a flagship device can generate 20 to 40 tokens per second for compact models. However, mobile devices face a unique physical limitation: thermal management. A phone is sealed glass and metal without a cooling fan, so sustained NPU use causes it to heat up. To prevent damage, the system lowers peak throughput into a stable, warm state plateau. Local mobile LLMs are designed for burst interactions like quick lookups, instant drafts, live translation, and offline summaries. Does this mean cloud AI is dead? Not quite. We are moving toward a hybrid ecosystem where local AI handles privacy-sensitive, real-time, low latency, and offline tasks, and personal,